Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Properties, and I am out at Mustang Lakes today to check on the Perry Homes build that's behind me. So they have completed the exterior stone and brick, and I know that they've done a lot more inside, so I don't want to give it away. I'm going to flip this around and we're going to go check it out. Okay, look at that. Oh, so pretty. So that brick is a super light tan, but it's almost white, and I love the stone. It's so pretty. Awesome. All right, so there's a lot of debris and stuff, and there's stuff in front of the front door, so I'm gonna walk through the garage to get inside. So we have a 3-car tandem. All right, 3-car tandem. All right, so there's workers in here, so it might be a little loud, but I will try to talk louder. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around, act like we came through the front. There's a giant ladder. So they're installing the lights up there, which is why this ladder's here. Coming in the front door, you got an office, and I love these doors where it's just one solid glass panel instead of when it has those dividers on it. They're just harder to clean when they have the dividers, but okay, so look at your floors. Oh, they're so pretty. So this is a wood tile, guys, a wood look tile. And coming in a little further, we've got a laundry room. I don't think the lights are working yet because they're working on them. So you got your laundry room. And then this is a powder bath. They got the light fixtures up. That's awesome. Here's a little coat closet, I think. Yep, coat closet. Oh, look at that fixture. Dining area. Really nice. And then your grand living and kitchen. Oh, guys, the cabinets look phenomenal. So cabinets are installed and painted. I like that. That's different colors on the island than what's on the wall. It's really pretty. Oh, fireplace. Let me get closer on this. I like the surround, the tile on this. That's so cool. Really pretty. Awesome. Okay, and then we got the master bedroom tucked back here in the corner. And of course that tub will go into the bathroom. They won't leave that there. But, all right, bathroom. Tiles in. Cabinets are in, so you have his and her vanities. And then a nice soaker tub will be in the corner. This tile is cool looking. It kind of looks like stone. That's neat. And then you have it in the shower. And they chose to do a vertical offset instead of a horizontal offset. So that just means that it's, instead of the tiles being right next to each other, they're kind of, you know, one's up, one's down, one's up, one's down. And then you have the cool floor. That's what laid straight looks like, in case anybody's interested. So they're right next to each other, all in line, very asymmetrical. All right, and then you have a dedicated water closet here and a master closet here. Nice. That's a good sized closet. And then you have some built-in shelving behind the door. That would not nearly be enough room for my shoes, but that's okay. I don't live here. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs, which one of my favorite things about this plan is how it's all open. That's so cool. Okay. All right. So upstairs, we've got 3 more bedrooms, 2 full baths, a game room, and a media room. Right off to the left of the stairs is the media room. So this will all be carpet up here, which is why the flooring's not down yet. It's usually one of the last things they do so it doesn't get dirty. And if they do put it down, they have to put some kind of protection over it, plastic. So this is the game room. This is what's open to below. That's so pretty. So in the game room, we've got a closet, really sizable closet actually over here. It's pretty cool. They're not usually a walk-in. All right, so we'll go off to the left here where we have one of the 3 secondary bedrooms. And this bedroom has its own bath, which would also serve as the bath for the media and game room area. That's a cool tile too. It's simple, but I like it. Very cool. Kind of has an ombre look to it. And then, oh, I don't know if I got a picture of what the fixtures look like. These are pretty. And secondary bedroom, nice and light and bright. And then closet, really good sized walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. And then across the catwalk over here, we've got 2 more bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bath. So go to the left, bedroom, and then a true Jack and Jill. They each have their own vanities, and then the shared space is obviously the toilet and the shower tub combo. So this bathroom actually has a really big linen closet in it. It's like a pantry. That's awesome. I did not show you the closet in this room, but it's a nice sized walk-in closet just like the other one. So there's just hanging straight ahead, but it's deep enough. If you wanted to add another rod, you totally could, or shelving. And then as we go through, this is the other vanity, and then the same light fixtures, and then the bedroom. So obviously this one faces the front. It's a cool little bump out over there. Be a nice little sitting area. And then this closet has hanging on 2 sides, so that's awesome. And then I like these little cutouts here instead of it just being a solid wall, so you can kind of peek over. It's a little more aesthetically pleasing, breaks up just a solid giant wall. And then we'll give a quick peek what this looks like over. Looking down. Oh, so pretty, guys. Looks really good. All right, let's go check out the back patio and the yard. The patio in this plan is one of my favorites because it is so extensive. I mean, you could have so many different seating areas out there, and it still leaves enough room in the yard to add a pool or spa or whatever. Play set if you really wanted that for younger babies. Okay. Awesome. So yeah, I've got all kinds of ideas in my head of how I would set this up out here. Awesome. So your grill will go on this far pole because you can see the gas stub out is there. But yeah, you've got tons of other ways you could configure this back setup here. But like I said, enough room for a pool, spa. It's fantastic. My clients don't have little kids anymore, so this is actually perfect for what they're wanting to do. You even have a little bit of side over here as well. Okay, y'all, that wraps up the tour for this week. They have come so far since the last time I was here. It looks so good. I know they're trying real hard to get everything completed so we can close at the end of the month, and I know you guys are super excited to get here. So you know how to reach me if you have any questions. For those of you tuning in for the first time, I'm NICOLE ROANE. I work with Living Well Properties, and I specialize in new construction. So I would love to help you with your new home. Give me a call, a text, or an email, or you can schedule a Zoom call via the link below. I look forward to hearing from everybody, and until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.